Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add newsletter for your site in Site123. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just when you're going to click here on edit footer, you can see it right here, show mailing list. And as you can see, voila, and people can easily subscribe. Right now in pages, you can get it when you're gonna have like content page here. Is like the second thing. And people can add here. So let's, I don't know, add this one here. Give me a second. Okay. And when people are going to add the contact email address, you can also send them email then. So that's also possibility. So yeah, that's it. Goodbye.